Hello everyone, in this video we will do division of algebraic expressions. So if you want to understand this topic clearly, please watch my earlier videos on factorization and basic concepts of algebraic expression, because both the topics are very important to understand this topic. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and for any queries please contact me on my Instagram. Thank you. Now if we have to divide this question by this term, this is an algebraic expression, this is also an algebraic expression. We have to divide the two. How we will do? We will factorize this first part first. How to factorize it? We have done it in our earlier videos. We'll write factors of both the terms. Factors of this will be 7 into x, and what will be the factor of 14x? 2 into 7 into x. We will write other term like this. Right? Now we have 7 common in both the terms and x common in both the terms. We'll do it by regrouping 7x, x plus 2. It is divided by, or we can write it like this, x plus 2. Right? Now see, these two are same terms, we can cancel them out, so we get 7x as answer. So in such questions we have to factorize them and cancel the common terms from denominator and numerator. Again, for doing this question, we will factorize this part so that we can cancel out common terms from denominator. How we will do? We'll see this. We can see that on applying identity number 3, we can do this. Please revise identity so that you are able to factorize algebraic expressions. Identity 3 is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. Here a will be 3x whole square. We can write this as this, and this term as 4y whole square. Okay, so a will be 3x and b will be 4y. We'll write it directly. This is 4y, right, whole square. In one bracket we will have 3x minus 4y, and in other bracket we will have 3x plus 4y. Right? We have to divide this by 4xy, 3x plus 4y. We have factorized this 9x square minus 16y square by using identity number 3, that is a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b and a plus b, where a will be 3x and b will be 4y, because this term is 9x square, which will be square of 3x, and 16y square, which will be square of 4y. Right? Now we can cancel common terms from denominator and numerator. We see we have x and y common, 4, we get 3, and this bracket. So answer will be 3x minus 4y. So this will be the answer. You see, this was such a long question and we did it in 2 steps only. So you have to just find out which identity or how you have to factorize the expression, and then you have to cancel out the common terms from numerator and denominator. Now if we have to do this question, we have to divide this with this expression. How we'll do? We will first factorize this part. 44 x की power 4 minus 5x cube minus 24x square. In this we see we have x square common in all the 3 terms. We'll take it outside the bracket. 44x square. Here we'll left with x square minus 5x minus 24. Now we will factorize this bracket. How we will factorize? We'll factorize it by splitting the middle term, and for that we have to split this in its factors. For revision of this, splitting the middle term, please go and watch my earlier video. Factors of 24 can be 4 and 6, but adding and subtracting 4 and 6 we will not get 5. Factors of 24 can be 8 and 3. We see on subtracting 8 and 3 we get 5. So we will use 8 and 3 factors of 24. That will be 44x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 24. On taking 1 minus and 1 plus, we see on multiplying we get minus 24 and on subtracting we get minus 5. So it is correct. Now taking common from the 2, we get x minus 8, and from here we take 3 x minus 8. So two factors will be 44x square, x minus 8 common from both the terms, and x plus 3. Right? We have to divide it by 11x x minus 8. Right? We can write it over here below this as denominator because we have to divide it. So what we will do, we will cancel the common terms. 11 4 times 44, x, 1x, x minus 8 cancel. So answer will be 4x x plus 3. If we have to divide this expression with this, how we will do? We will factorize this. We can do it by both ways, either splitting the middle term or by using identities. We'll do it by using identities. As we have minus sign here, we can use second or third identity because in first identity we have all the positive signs and we have 3 terms. So we have 3 terms with minus sign in second identity only. That is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We can write this expression as minus 2 into a, that is p, into b, that will be 4 because 16 is square of 4. If we compare this with the right hand side of identity, we get a as p and b as 4. So left hand side will be p minus 4 whole square and we have to divide it by p minus 4. So we can write it as p minus 4 whole square upon p minus 4. So for division we have to cancel the common terms, that is p minus 4 and 1 p minus 4. Answer will be p minus 4. So students, it is very much clear from this video that to divide algebraic expressions you should know factorization of algebraic expressions very well. So first, make yourself perfect in factorization by using different methods and then do division part. Thank you.